Good morning! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today we will be celebrating a milestone in our YouTube journey. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. And I just want to express my thanks and appreciation for everybody who works hard, my friends, my family, my relatives who help get us to that 1,000 subscribers. So today we will be celebrating with our family. We will be going up to the cabin of my daughter and my son-in-law with my grandkids from Houston and my grandkids from Rollins. And so we will give you a view of what we're doing for the day. Okay, enjoy the video. The fish that we just caught, and I always when you catch them freshwater fish, always rinse them out and let me get rid of that. Oh my gosh, so slimy. So salt them and get rid of the slime. It really does. The salt really get rid of the slime. This little fish really is good eating. It has a better taste than them big fish, and maybe because of what they eat. So we'll fry them crisp, and we'll have them for dinner too with our elk steak. Yeah, look at, see, the slime just come off of them once you soak them.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't score them or anything?
They just,
I mean, you don't score the fish?
no, like that. And then turn it over.
You want to get the insides of them?
Yeah. Oh, that tastes good. It smells good. Here. So this one has salt already?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. And then we'll just fry them in the skillet.
It says use as you would salt and pepper.
Okay. Okay. And then okay, it's already been. And we roll it in flour so it just kind of get crispy and not stick on the bottom of the pan. Okay, it's ready to be fried. Okay, that's perfect. That looks good. Man, Henry's gonna eat our fish.
Okay, fry dyan na.
Say, Jesus, thank you for the food and the many
There are many blessings.
blessings. Jesus' name. Amen. Yay! Okay, here's our catch for of the day. And thanks for watching. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video.